In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your GoDaddy website secure. Making sure your website is secure is crucial not only for protecting your data, but also for ensuring the trust of your visitors. Let's dive into the simple steps to enhance the security of your GoDaddy website in just a few minutes. First, we'll start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the GoDaddy product page. This is where you manage all of your services, including domain hosting and website security. It's important to familiarize yourself with this page as it serves as the central hub for all your account configurations. Next, you'll need to click on Account Settings. To find this, look for your name, shop name, or initials at the top of the page. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down where you can access the account settings. This is a critical area where you manage your personal information and security options. In the account settings, you'll find an option labeled Login and PIN. Select this option to proceed. This section is essential for managing the security details of your account access. Ensuring that only you can get into your account is the first step in safeguarding your website. Now, let's talk about an effective security measure: two-step verification. You have the option to turn on two-step verification here. When you enable this feature, it adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code sent to your mobile device or email each time you log in. This means even if someone gets a hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without that unique code. Two-step verification is a highly recommended practice in today's digital world to prevent unauthorized logins. Depending on your GoDaddy plan, there are additional options you can explore to further secure your site. For instance, you might consider creating a backup of your website. Backing up your site regularly ensures that you have a restore point in case something goes wrong, like an unexpected crash or data loss. You can usually set backups to happen automatically, which means one less thing to worry about. Another crucial security measure is obtaining an SSL certificate. This certificate encrypts data transferred between your site and its visitors, making it much harder for hackers to steal sensitive information. An SSL certificate also boosts your search engine rankings since search engines favor secure sites. Keep in mind that these features might come with additional fees, so it's best to weigh these costs against the benefits they provide for keeping your website and data safe. Thanks for watching this quick guide on securing your GoDaddy website. By implementing these steps, you'll be well on your way to maintaining a secure and trustworthy website. Stay safe and secure online, and I'll see you in the next video.